have a touch the pad. Everybody in the world fused. Yeah, there you go. Seriously, are you not ready yet?
Well, I keep finding this gap.
You've got fluff
My
all over your
breather.
new shirt. What's going on there? Honestly.
It's been hard at work.
Do not elaborate.
I was wearing your beard.
There are other parts to this job that you have that are not to go onto camera. Right. This. Jeez, honestly. Terrible. Now, I do flirt too much, don't I?
I've
Right.
had a beer. My
Now,
filter will slowly disappear.
We'll get rid of the invoice. We don't need that. I'll pay for that one day. Now, this is, Lily,
Yes.
the first ever Andy Mechanic YouTube calendar.
Ah, cool.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. So you're not going to see it first of all, viewers. Lily gets the privilege of seeing this.
I love it. My favourite bike.
It is. That is the
It is my
Honda
favourite.
ATC 200. It's a phenomenal piece of kit.
Fuel
It really
leaks
is.
and all sorts.
Right, so I'm going to move the camera down and we're going to go through each page so you get to see exactly
Oh,
what it's all
cool.
about. Here we go. Pretty cool, eh?
I love it.
That was
it's my favourite bike.
That was a good day.
That was a fun day.
You just drive around the garden again and again and again while I was trying to film it all. It took us ages, didn't it? But you were just like, can I go again? Yeah, keep going, keep going.
Pretty sure it almost toppled in the long grass.
Right, so who have we got for January? Let's have a look.
No, let's see.
Who is Tool Girl January?
Oh, it's Hannah.
It's Tool Girl Hannah with a big
so
spanner. Look at that.
That's awesome.
I
they made them so
I do miss
nicely.
Hannah, I must admit.
Oh, she looks
Yeah.
so cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful eyes.
Great Tool Girl, that one.
Beautiful.
What else have we got?
Very
Let's flick through as quick as... Oh.
Tall girl Harley.
Harley, it is. Harley on a
Awesome,
KTM, believe it or
love
not.
it.
Yeah, first ever Tool Girl. Good job there. Had a great... That was very hard filming day for me.
She
was
looks
that.
like lots of fun.
She was hard work, put it that way. Believe me, trying to direct and film at the same time as dealing with
Hard, yeah.
that in the workshop,
Hot
man.
in a bikini.
I couldn't concentrate at
yeah,
all.
I bet.
She just kept...
I'm like, I wouldn't even be able to concentrate.
Nah, she's hot. She is hot. She's done very well for herself. I'll give her that.
That's awesome.
Right,
Cute.
who's March?
Its eyes are blonde. Slacking.
Yeah. You know, that picture always reminds me of that chick out of the movie.
I'm like, I'll just stand
You know,
there
that has
for-
the different coloured hair and she's a bit mad and I think she holds a big hammer. She did a movie with Will Smith.
Ah,
What's it called? I always forget.
she's got red and blue.
She's
Red and blue hair?
Isn't it Harley Quinn?
Yeah, that's a
She
Harley
is
Quinn.
mental. But that look, that smirk.
I
it's
feel like it's just like, you're
yeah,
not all
it's
the
like,
way.
I'm going to get you kind of smirk. Just you wait. You have no idea what you've let yourself in for, Andy Mechanic. Because that was the first day of filming, wasn't it?
Oh, it
that we
was
did.
good, yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, I miss my blonde hair. It's too
I
hard
miss-
to maintain,
I
though.
miss your blonde hair too, to be honest, but hey, it's all good.
cool.
It's all good.
You're right.
Right.
Ah, Tall Girl Sam.
Sam.
Good.
Made heaps of videos of Sam.
Yes.
She was very different kind of tool girl, but extremely good at following instructions. Unlike you, you're terrible.
Oh!
And you're back.
Smiley
Oh
ass.
my word, yeah. Constantly laughing. Look, everyone,
Hey,
laugh,
that was when
laugh.
we did my car.
That's right. We fixed your car for you.
It's
We
also
did.
my favourite bike again. That's
Yeah.
why I'm smiling.
Right, who's in June? That's Tool Girl Holly.
yes.
It is. Yeah, one of my
Oh,
actually one of my
I'm
ex-students, believe it or not. She's
Oh, right.
doing very well for herself. She's working at Ford now.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, in the
Cool.
parts department. Did a great job. Very happy with her work there. But she'll be back on the channel for sure.
Oh, nice.
Definitely. I spoke to her the
Awesome.
other week and she's definitely going to come back.
I can't be on my lonesome.
No.
I need a tall girl to keep you in line.
Tell me about it.
Tall girl Ali?
Ali, it is.
Yes.
Ali was part of the
She's
Tool
so
Girl
gorgeous.
tryouts.
She's beautiful.
Yeah, I really wanted her to win, to be honest. Oh, sorry, Jade. Sorry.
We didn't hear that, guys.
She was really good, actually. Really good.
Awesome. Tall girl Sam again?
Yeah, working on your bike.
Oh,
Looks it.
yes.
Yeah. I think we did the starter most of that
Awesome.
day. It's good fun.
Was it that one? No.
No, this is the three-wheeler. This is the Honda
Yes.
ATC 200 Super Red.
Isn't it down here? You've got it
It's
here,
outside.
right?
Yeah,
Oh,
I've kept it for you.
We
Yeah,
have
we've
to
just
go
got
for a
to.
little drive
I've got to
later.
finish off doing some work on it before you can. Yeah,
Oh,
it needs.
right.
Remember, it needs brakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, a year later, it still
Not
needs
that it
brakes.
stopped us last time.
Nah, who needs brakes, eh?
Ah, Tall Girl Jade. I love that. I
Yeah.
like how it's coloured and
It was quite
Locked.
different. When I first saw it, I thought, should we have that
so
as a calendar?
nice.
I
I
thought,
love
well,
it.
everybody knows Jade for a particular reason,
Yeah.
so it sort of highlighted that, really.
It's so cool. Did you do the photo edits? Or?
No, I actually got someone to do that for me because
Right.
I just didn't have time.
It looks really good. Oh, there are the boots.
There they are. You like those
What are
boots,
we
don't you?
doing there?
Oh, we were
Testing
we were changing the tyres
Yeah,
on the
that's
trailer,
right.
remember?
Yeah,
When they kept failing on me.
very
So
cool.
that's October. Yes, you like those. Again, another
She's always so smiley.
She
Such
is.
a, like,
very bubbly.
addictive smile. Like, look at that smile, you're smiling.
Yep. Gets her
So
out of all sorts of trouble, does
gorgeous.
that smile, I tell you. Nightmare.
And there we all are.
Compilation.
Love it.
Good
so
job.
Cool. Quality.
Yeah, well, you know, it's about the channel, isn't it? I try to do everything as good as I possibly can with these things, and the calendar was just the next step, really.
Yes.
And I did have lots of people ask me last year, leading up to Christmas, Andy, you've got to do a calendar, and I just ran out of time. And this year, I thought, no, I can't let the viewers down. They've been really good supporting the channel, and I've not put that many videos out recently. I have to do a calendar, and I managed to scrape together enough really cool photos from all the videos and bits and pieces
Yeah,
to be able to put it together. So there is the calendar. There's only, wait for it, there's only 100 of these calendars that we're getting made up. Some have already been sold, and they're going to be shipped very, very shortly, the first batch. If you want one of these calendars, and they're going to be individually numbered, this is one that we've not numbered up yet, 1 to 100, 2 of 100, 3 of 100, so they're all, you know, individual. Lilli's going to be signing each of the calendars, didn't you hear that? So you've got 100 calendars to sign.
Oh, gosh.
I'm going to grab Tool Girl Holly next week. She's going to sign them, autograph them all as well for you, and then they'll finally get sent out. So if you do want one, you can order one through the PayPal icon at the front. Just do it as a purchase, not a donation, do it as a purchase, and the prices are, the calendar itself is $39.95 New Zealand dollars. And then if you live in New Zealand, the shipping is $10. If you live outside New Zealand, the shipping is $20. Doesn't matter where it is in the world. If the shipping ends up being a bit more, then I'll just pay for that, because that's the kind of guy that I am. Anyway.
And the A3 size.
They are A3. They're actually very large.
They are nice.
If I'd planned ahead slightly more, I'd have made it slightly smaller, and the shipping would have been a little bit cheaper, because it would have been a standard shipping size as opposed to a standard paper size. But it may have cost more to have the calendars made then. I don't know. Who knows? I'm not a print guy. I just fix motorbikes and stuff. So there you go. One very smart, I think, calendar.
Very
And
cool.
the beauty of these calendars, did you notice that on the months there's no days of the week? It's just the numbers, which means the calendar is not year dependent, which means you can use it
clever.
year on year on
That's
year.
awesome.
Because there's nothing worse than
Clever.
putting it in the bin at the end of the
Yeah.
year, because it's a cool calendar and you can keep it up in your workshop, and it's there as a good talking point, and also obviously helps to spread the word of Andy Mechanic, doesn't it? And make all your mates really jealous, because there's some very, very nice pictures of Tool Girls in there. Anyway, time for another beer, I reckon.
I better catch
Cheers,
up.
Tool
Too
Girl
much
Lilli.
talking. Cheers.
Yes.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers again. There you go. So, I've run through how to pay for it, how to order your own calendar. I'll put that in the description as well. If you've got any questions, find them through on the comments. I'll do my best to help. You'll also find me on
Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
You will. Feel free to communicate through any of those portals. I'm doing this Ask About It now. If you want to subscribe, you can click on the subscribe button, ring the bell, do all your stuff. You know how it works on YouTube now, and our friends down at YouTube will send you an email notification as and when I upload any new videos. With that PayPal icon, even if you don't want to buy a calendar, you can also send a donation through there as well. And there's also a
Patron page.
Nearly caught you out there, didn't I? Hey? There's a Patreon page, and you can read. What can you read all about on there? Tool Girl Lilli, tell me all about the Patreon
the
page.
channel, the Tool Girls and their profiles. I listen sometimes.
You do. She does very well. Especially after having an 11-month sabbatical away from the workshop. Honestly, how on earth I signed off 11 months of leave I will never know. But she's back now, and she's not going to get away
We're not
again.
going anywhere.
Nah, definitely not. Okay, crew, well, that really is about it for this video. Just to let you know, there's a few calendars left. If you want one, now is the time to order it. Otherwise, you may well be disappointed, and I probably won't be doing a rerun. Definitely not. So there's going to be 100 calendars, and then that's it.
Limited edition.
It is. Otherwise, if I do a rerun, it won't be limited, will it?
Yeah,
basically.
absolutely.
So 100 calendars. Once they're gone, they're gone. I'm going to keep one for myself because I like it too. I'm going to give one to Brandon down at Tang Tools for all his support. I'm going to send one over to the UK to Picoscope for all their help with sending me across over $9,000 of equipment to use in the workshop.
Awesome.
Now, I know that not that many videos that go out to the public are me using the scope, because a lot of the diagnostics that I do are on a particular brand of vehicle that I can't have on the channel, so you miss out, unfortunately. But I do use the scope on a regular basis, even for my work. It's very, very useful. And there's one more calendar that's already allocated, and that's to Jared down at Trosco Limited, New Zealand distributors of Forge products. I've got to get my words out.
Got my new shirt.
Yep, look at that. Very smart. So he's going to get one as well, because you've got to give them one. They've supported me. I've got to support them as well and give them a few perks.
Yep.
Okay, crew. That really is about it. Send through your orders. Say goodbye, Lily.
See you guys. Nice to be back.
Cheers, crew.
Cheers.
Over and out. And we get the flip again.
Oh!
Yes.